The real exercise we want to go now is just write a basic mapping for a student personal object. Guys, using Java, there is a little SQLite database in there, which you can connect to. If you've got a JDBC-based front end, you can actually look into it, what the data is. Also, you have to look into it, you can actually do the mapping. For the .NET guys, there is a SQL server file in there, so you can peek into that, use the mapping. You will find it, mapping files, sorry, not mapping files, here it says where you find stuff. The database is on the project DB for database. Under there you find the database SQLite file. And there is the data for the student personal, so try to go and map that student personal to a student personal object. Things you have to consider is, it's a exercise that's going to challenge again. You have to write something that reads from the database. Again, I point you back to the way it's done with the SIF demo project. There is the school info publisher reads from the database. So you can peek in there how to do that. Look at the result set adapter for details if you're keen. Use the SIF demo to find it all out. Right? Again, it's based on the SIF demo to give you the hints, but we want to do it for student personal, so a different object. So you can't just go and copy paste the mappings from there. Right. Try to get that in. The CSV file adapter, that's, you don't have to do that exercise. If you finish early and keen and want to do something, you can try to tackle this. There's a CSV file in a given location. The exercise Word document says in each location find the CSV file you can use to write the adapter if you're keen. The tricky bit might be in connection to the database. So if you want and have another database you want to connect to and do mapping, feel free to do so, right? It's up to you. You can use the one we provide. You can use your own database and start mapping, reading, and all these bits and pieces.